Hello, this is an IFR 1200S. Now I'm going to show you the minimum performance check as a demo video on this unit. The procedure, the minimum performance check, is a procedure described in the manual. And it provides that I have to connect with a coaxial cable, a BNC to BNC coaxial cable, the external reference at the back of the instrument to the frontal connector, the antenna connector in front of it. Of course, I already prepared the frontal controls. I set up the frontal controls as described in the procedure, precisely in this table. So we can go ahead, remove this antenna, and we can connect the cable connected to the back, so with the reference signal for the procedure. So connect the cable. Okay. And if I remember correctly, we are at the step 4 of this procedure. So the step 4 say using keyboard select 10 MHz, so we can select here 10 MHz. Okay, this is the reference signal coming from the back. Next step, place vertical attenuator selector control to any position except off. It's okay. Place horizontal sweep selector control to the side position in spectrum analyzer range to observe 10 MHz. So we can use this selector to have a better view on the signal. And place modulation meter control to seek position and observe the signal strength. So at the moment this selector is on BAT test, and we move to seek, and we can notice the deflection of the needle here. And going ahead, step number 8. Verify frequency error meter is centered. Yeah, the needle of this meter is in the middle. Place frequency error meter range selector control to the RF 1K position. The selector is now at 10, and we can move from 10K to 1K. Okay. The last point, using keyboard, slow last character of RF function up and down 5 units, and verify deflection on frequency error meter. So we can select the last digit and move it up and down, and we can notice the needle of the frequency error meter goes far away from the center. Okay, so the minimum performance check seems okay. It looks like okay. Now I would like to check another signal coming from a small portable radio. We saw in this case I use this portable antenna. Move the modulation from AM to FM and the frequency to 145 MHz. And here I have one small portable radio. Okay. Let's check what we can see.